Alright YouTube, we back with another video on the old truck. Let me show you guys what's going on. So this is what we got going on today. We got the truck all lifted in the air. Today we're gonna attempt to put a cutout on my exhaust because I don't want it to be hella loud normally. So I got this quiet muffler. It sounds cool, but it's not loud. So I'm gonna put this right here. Pretty much, it's a 3-inch cutout. Somewhere within this distance right here. But right now I have the truck up in the air so I can get the right angle. Whether I wanted to face it on this side of the exhaust or that side. I don't know, that's what the truck is in the air right now for. So yeah, let's get this going. Okay, so as you guys can see, the Y pipe ends right there and it comes straight through here. So in theory, so in theory, if the exhaust comes through there, I'm gonna have to run it something like that. It's gonna be like right here because this is where the hooks is. So it's gonna be somewhere right here. So I'm just gonna run it straight flat, flush. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it'll be something like that. It's gonna be flush and you're not gonna be able to see it from back there. So bring it over here. The 450's in right here. So we're probably gonna have to cut it like this. It's gonna sit something like that, pretty much. Just go right from the edge and just cut it flush. So I have a chop or a table saw over here. Okay, so right now I'm gonna draw a line right here so I can have 2 meeting points on the exhaust. So I know I can have this in the same position as it was when I re-welded it. So I'm gonna do the line real quick. So you see I got 2 little black lines in here. And then now I gotta measure out from here to here and then cut it or measure it on there, write it out, and then cut it on the table saw. So I got the cut. It's gonna get cleaned up a little bit and kind of melted the bottom. But yeah, so we'll get the bottom piece in there, cut that, and then we'll get to welding. So we got everything all cleaned up, the edges and stuff. Need to hit these edges real quick with the grinder. That one too, but for the most part they're all straight and clean. So right now we're gonna attempt to weld these better than that. I didn't do that, so don't judge me on that. But yeah, we're gonna attempt to weld these. I've never welded stuff this thin. I've done my tubs and stuff, but I watched a couple videos. So we'll see how this goes. And yeah, we gotta change the wire out on the welder, and then we'll be pretty much set to go. All right guys, we're back again. I had to stop last time to help my homie on his exhaust. So here we are, day 2, I guess you could say. I'm gonna practice on this real quick with the generator and the welder setup. Wires already switched. So yeah, let's get into it. So we pretty much got it all welded. Looks pretty good for first time welding pipe, stuff like this, but I'll give you guys a look right now. This is the first, do this. The first one right here. You guys can see this right here was kind of tough to get to, but I think it's gonna hold. Just gotta take a grinder to see when any holes pop up. Right here though, pretty good. For me, it was good enough for me. Just grind it down and then do it good. So yeah, pretty much now all I gotta do is get it all bolted back up into the truck. Trying to do it by today because I'm trying to get it tuned by tomorrow. And I don't want to do street tune. The truck be hella loud screaming on the streets, so try to get this bolted up hopefully. I got the truck all jacked up inside. Gotta slide this in there one. Watch out for that. Just slide this thing in. Alright, so I got it all bolted up. Right there. And runs back here. Got it back on the hanger over here. And then I have the wire running through that little hole right there, a little vent. Comes over and it connects there. It's gonna come in through here. So it comes in through behind this, and then it's gonna run all the way down here and into the cigarette lighter. So yeah, it's pretty simple. At least that's what it looks like. I'm not done yet. I have to get a battery for the remote, so I'll probably finish the video tomorrow. I'll probably lower the truck down right now and just finish wiring, put all the panels back on, and then we'll test it tomorrow because I'll go get the little battery for the thing. You guys see we got them on, the close cutouts. I got their remote right here. I'll open them. Very big difference. Do it one more time.